I'm up here in Tibble Fork testing out the Turbo Levo. It's a pretty sweet bike by Specialized. And that thing can get you around. I'm like, I swear I'm almost going as fast on this bike, on these trails, as I did on the dirt bike. I mean, maybe you could go a little faster on the dirt bike because you're not having to pedal at some awkward spots and stuff, but I mean, this thing cruises, and I don't even have it on full power mode. And it's like more than enough. It's pretty freaking awesome. See these uphills? No problemo. Some of these bushes through here are just high enough that they're like whapping my fingertips. It's kind of cold out. Oh wow, look at that view. Look at that view. Boy. That's awesome.